So here we have a nice recap question on finding the point of intersection between two lines, and the lines in this case are going to be given in the question. So we're going to be finding the intersection point between these two lines, and there's always going to be an intersection point for any between any two lines as long as the lines aren't parallel. And so you can see here, you can always double check if they're parallel, but we're going to assume they're not parallel for this question. And the way to approach this kind of question is basically to treat these two equations as simultaneous equations. And so we're going to get them in their normal form, which is to get the x's and y's on the left. So we're going to have 2x plus y, and then our number is going to be on the right for simultaneous equations. So we get our minus 5 over to the right hand side. And we just do the same thing for the second equation. Once again, just coming straight from the question. So x minus y is going to be equal to 1 by adding across by 1. And this is a very easy form we could have gotten them in, or probably the easiest possible form I should say, because you can see here we've already got in our first equation plus y, and in our second equation minus y. And so we can basically just add these two equations together now. So we get 2x plus x is 3x. And then our y's cancel out and we get 5 plus 1 is equal to 6 on the right hand side. And so just dividing across by 3 now, we get that x is going to be equal to 6 over 3, which is going to be 2. So this is going to be the actual x coordinate of our point of intersection. So actually we can just call this x1. So x1 is going to be equal to 2. And then it's really straightforward because you can just take this point for x1 and plug it back into either one of your equations. So I personally like the look of equation 2. It's very straightforward. So I'm just going to plug this back in now. So where we have x, we now have 2. So this is going to be kind of coming from up here. So we're going to move this down now and just plug in this new value. So we have 2 minus y is equal to 1. And then now we just get y on the left hand side. So we can add across by y and then subtract across by 1. So we get y is equal to 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1. And we're just going to call this y1 because it's a point. So our point of intersection, x1, y1 for this question is just going to be the point 2, 1. So that's going to be it here. And that's going to be it for this video.